Slack is a useful tool for communicating in a professional setting. There is much you can do with Slack, like file transferring, group chats, individual chats, and to-do lists. But there are many things that Slack has not implemented themselves. This is why third-party applications are integratable into Slack easily. There is no skill required to accomplish this task, as this tutorial is meant for people who are just starting to use Slack. This whole process should only take approximately 2 minutes, but will vary depending on internet speed and if you already have an application in mind that you want to integrate. Once you complete this process, repeating it will only take a matter of seconds. Let's begin. I will be using Google Chrome for my browser. Step 1. Enter slack.com in your search bar. This is the page that you should be expecting when you hit enter. Step 2. In the top right corner you will find your workspaces. If you have not created a workspace yet, select the Create a Workspace tab and follow Slack's instructions on creating a new workspace. Otherwise, select a workspace to continue forward. Step 3. Once you have entered the workspace, there are several ways to install an app. 1. By clicking the plus sign next to the Apps tab, or 2. By selecting the Add More Apps tab. Either of these methods will bring us to the next page and continue us on to Step 4. Let's continue by selecting the plus sign. Step 4. The apps on this page are the most popular apps that Slack has to offer. For this tutorial, let's add Google Drive to our workspace. To continue, we will be selecting the Install button corresponding to the Google Drive tab. Heading on to Step 4, if you do not see the app that you want to add to your workspace, continue on to the View App Directory button. The app directory will show you all the apps that Slack has to offer. Once you have found the app that you want to integrate, select the icon and continue from Step 5. Step 5. This page details how the application will function within your Slack workspace. It also details the settings that the app currently allows. To continue, select the Add to Slack button. Step 6. This new page just reiterates how the app will be functioning within your Slack workspace. To continue, we will be selecting the Add Google Drive app button. Step 7. This page describes the permissions that you are permitting the application to have when you select the Allow button. I suggest that you always read these carefully before integrating any third-party app into software that you use. As you see, when you drop down these tabs, it will show you what the application will have access to when you select Allow. If you agree to the permissions, select the Allow button to continue forward. You are now complete. On this page, you will find the usage guide for the application, and it will usually detail how to use the app in your workspace. You will also find any other important information regarding the application. If you ever decide to remove the application, proceed to the Remove tab located at the upper right-hand corner and follow the instructions provided by Slack